Welcome to our channel. Today we dive into the fascinating world of plants and focus on a particular species known as the nightshade plant. These plants, with their mysterious allure and diverse range, have a story that's as captivating as it is complex. From their ancient roots to their modern interpretations, the nightshade family is a testament to the evolution of flora. Their unique characteristics, rich history, and distinct features are what make them stand out in the plant kingdom. This video will serve as a comprehensive guide to understanding these intriguing plants. We will take you on a journey through time, exploring the plant's historical significance. We will then delve into the core characteristics that define the nightshade plant. And finally, we will spotlight their unique features that set them apart from other plant species. So, prepare to embark on a botanical adventure like no other. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into the intriguing life of the nightshade plant. The nightshade plant has a rich history that dates back centuries. Our tale begins in the ancient world, where the nightshade plant, belonging to the Solanaceae family, first sprouted. The plant's origin is believed to be in the tropical regions of Central and South America. From there, it spread across the globe, flourishing in various climates and terrains. In ancient times, the nightshade plant was used for a multitude of purposes. Its berries and leaves were used for food, while its roots and seeds were employed in medicine. The plant's medicinal properties were recognized by ancient civilizations like the Greeks and Romans. It was used to treat a plethora of ailments, from toothaches and ulcers to inflammation and insomnia. The name nightshade is as intriguing as the plant itself. It is thought to have derived from the plant's preference for growing in the shadowy corners of the night. The term shade also refers to the plant's historical association with death and the underworld, linking it to a darker, more mystical past. Historical figures have also crossed paths with the nightshade plant. One such figure is the infamous Italian family, the Borgias, who are believed to have used nightshade poison to eliminate their enemies. Then, we have the renowned philosopher, Socrates, who referenced the plant in his writings, highlighting its dual nature of being both beneficial and deadly. Moving to the Elizabethan era, nightshade was used in cosmetics. Ladies of the court would apply belladonna, a derivative of the plant, to their eyes to dilate their pupils. Considered a beauty trend of the time, the nightshade plant also found its way into folklore and mythology. It was often associated with witchcraft and magic, further adding to its mystique and intrigue. From its humble beginnings in the tropics to its widespread use in ancient medicine, cosmetics, and even deadly concoctions, the nightshade plant's journey through history is as diverse as it is fascinating. It has been a silent witness to human civilization, subtly influencing cultures and traditions along the way. With such a storied past, the nightshade plant is truly a historic marvel. The nightshade plant is known for its unique characteristics. The beauty of this plant lies in its physical attributes, which are as diverse as they are striking. Let's delve into these attributes and understand what makes the nightshade plant so distinctive. Firstly, the nightshade plant varies in size, ranging from small herbs to large shrubs and even trees in some species. It's a versatile plant that can adapt to different environments, which means you can find it in various habitats across the globe. From temperate climates to tropical regions, the nightshade plant is an adaptable survivor. Now, let's talk about the color. The nightshade plant typically dazzles with green foliage, but the real spectacle is its flowers and fruits. The flowers usually bloom in a vibrant hue of purple, sometimes with a white or yellow center, while the fruits can be a striking red, yellow, or even black, depending on the species. The leaves of the nightshade plant have their own charm. They are usually oval or heart-shaped with a smooth or slightly wavy edge. Some species may even have hairy leaves, adding another layer to their diverse characteristics. As for the flowers, they are usually star-shaped or bell-shaped with 5 distinct petals. In some species, the flowers can be quite large, while in others, they are small and delicate. But regardless of their size, the flowers of the nightshade plant are always a sight to behold. The nightshade plant has an interesting growth pattern as well. Most species are perennials, meaning they can live for more than 2 years, continually growing and producing flowers and fruits. Some species, however, are annuals or biennials, completing their life cycle in 1 or 2 years, respectively. So, whether it's the vibrant colors, the distinctive leaves and flowers, or the diverse growth patterns, there's always something fascinating about the nightshade plant. These unique features make the nightshade plant a captivating specimen for plant enthusiasts. What sets the nightshade plant apart are its unique features. This mysterious plant is not only known for its vibrant berries and beautiful flowers, but also its remarkable characteristics that make it stand out in the plant kingdom. One such feature is its medicinal properties. Nightshade has been utilized in traditional medicine for centuries. From treating toothaches to serving as an anesthetic during surgeries, the plant's uses are diverse. Its alkaloids are also used in modern medicine for treating conditions like asthma and motion sickness. But the nightshade plant doesn't just stop at being a medical marvel. It's also a culinary delight, featured in various cuisines around the world. The tomato, a member of the nightshade family, is a staple in countless dishes. Eggplants, potatoes, and peppers, also from the nightshade family, are key ingredients in many recipes, adding a flavorful punch to every bite. However, it's not all roses with the nightshade plant. Its toxicity is a well-known fact. Many nightshade species contain toxic alkaloids that can be harmful or even fatal if ingested in large quantities. This is why careful handling and preparation are crucial when using nightshade plants, especially in cooking. The nightshade plant, with its mix of benefits and dangers, is truly a wonder of nature. Its unique features make it a fascinating subject, offering a blend of medicinal value, culinary use, and a hint of danger that keeps us intrigued. So, there you have it, the intriguing world of the nightshade plant. We've journeyed through its rich history, marveled at its unique characteristics, and highlighted the features that set it apart in the plant kingdom. From its diverse varieties to its fascinating lore, the nightshade truly is a marvel of nature. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting plant-related content. Until next time, keep exploring the wonderful world of plants.